Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to customize plain text emails in HubSpot. This is a useful skill when you want to ensure your emails are accessible to recipients who prefer simpler formatting or whose email clients don't support HTML properly. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to HubSpot.com. Once you're there, sign into your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all of HubSpot's marketing tools. After signing in, look to the left navigation bar and click on the Marketing tab. This is your central hub for all marketing activities within HubSpot, including email campaigns, landing pages, and more. Clicking this tab will expand a menu with several options related to your marketing efforts. From the expanded menu, select Email. This section is where you'll manage all your email campaigns and drafts. You'll see a list of your existing emails, making it easy to find the one you want to work on. Now, click on the name of a drafted email to open it. If you don't already have a draft ready, you can create a new one by clicking Create Email and following the setup prompts. For this tutorial, we'll assume you're working with an existing draft. Once your email is open, direct your attention to the top panel where you'll see several tabs. Click on the Settings tab. This area contains important configuration options for your email, including the plain text version that some recipients will see. In the Settings area, look for the option labeled Plain Text and click it. Then click Edit to open the plain text editing options. This is where you'll customize how your email appears to users who view it without HTML formatting. A dialog box will appear displaying your current plain text content. Here you can make any edits you need, whether that's adjusting the wording, adding line breaks for better readability, or ensuring important information is clearly presented without relying on visual formatting. Once you've finished making your changes, click Update to save your modifications to the plain text version. Your customizations are now applied, ensuring that all your recipients get a well-formatted message regardless of how they view their emails. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.